type of problem we see often in this type of roof is there's a transition that needs to be made when you go from one roof level section to the other one. Different height. There's also parapet that needs to be crossed. We need to secure some area of the roof for fall prevention. So for that, we came up with the Smartstairs solution. It facilitates the transition between two roof sections, and that can be installed in a self-supporting configuration. So by that, there's no need to fix anything directly into the roof. So we're using basically rubber counterweights that we connect to the staircase that prevent us to fix and put screws into the roof membrane. So by doing that, there's no risk of water infiltration over time. So the main benefits of the Smartstairs solution, first of all, it's 100% made of aluminum. So it's very lightweight, easy to deploy. It's also totally modular. So it means that we can tear down the whole system in a matter of a few minutes. The steps are anti-slip. So even though you're using the staircase in the middle of winter with snow or freezing rain, you won't slip. For safety purposes, it's one of the best solutions you can find. So it's very easy for transportation purposes to bring the solution on the rooftop. It's very easy to do so. In time, it takes only several minutes to build up the staircase system.